Welcome. My name is John Jacobson. I am chair of the math department, and I'm happy to share a few math department updates for Family Weekend. First, a few numbers. We like numbers in the math department. Math majors make up about 1/3 of the declared majors at Harvey Mudd College. Currently, we have 35 math majors at the college, 156 joint math CS majors, 21 math physics majors, and 22 math comp bio majors. And all HMC students take 2 semesters of core mathematics. Math 19 in the fall of the first year, single and multivariable calculus, and in the spring of the first year, Math 73, linear algebra. Many students also take Core Plus courses, which are Math 82, differential equations, and Math 62, introduction to probability and statistics. Both important topics for all majors and are popular courses for students to take, although not required core courses anymore. We love teaching and learning with these amazing students. And who are the math department? So here is the math department. It is a wonderful group of teacher scholars with a real passion for mathematics and for engaging our students in the wonders of mathematics. Our staff members are equally fantastic and equally dedicated to our students. And we strive to create a positive and supportive community where mathematics can thrive. For new families, here is the team that just finished teaching core math last fall. There's me, John Jacobson, and then professors Francis Sue, Heidi Lindo, Susan Martinosi, and Jasper Weinberg. We had a blast with the course, and it was a joy to return to in-person instruction and regain full bandwidth with our students. Math 19 is a course in single and multivariable calculus. All Harvey Mudd students are required to have at least a year of single variable calculus to apply to Harvey Mudd. And so in the first portion of Math 19, we take a second look at single variable calculus from the perspective of how are mathematical truths created and communicated via proofs. Mathematical statements rely in an essential way on their shareability. And so proofs, which are our primary mechanism for establishing mathematical truths, become in this way a form of persuasive writing. So we believe this shift from skill to understanding, from how to do things to why are things defined the way they are, along with an emphasis on clear and compelling communication of one's ideas, is really important for our students developing their critical thinking skills, whatever major they go into. First-year students are now learning linear algebra from this amazing Math 73 teaching team, Professors Dagan Karp, Heather Zinn Brooks, Francis Sue, and Art Benjamin. Linear algebra is an ubiquitous field of mathematics and underpins everything from simulation of liquid propulsion rocket engines to artificial intelligence, deep learning, and data science. And so we're excited to introduce students to this rich and deep subject. Now, rather than a long video of department updates, which we're all losing patience for long videos these days, I suggest you review our hot off the press issue of Mudd Math available on our website to read about some of the many activities in the department, accomplishments of our students, fellowships, grants, accomplishments of our faculty and our alumni. Lots of information about the department you can find here in this Mudd Math magazine. A few other notes. Senior parents, take note. We're very pleased to be able to return our tradition of taking our seniors to the Magic Castle. Here's a picture from a few years ago. Seniors only, and you have to be 21 and older to go to the Magic Castle, and you have to dress up. And so it's actually, perhaps in the 4 years, one of the only times we see our students so dressed up. So this is a fun event coming up for seniors. First year parents, family members, summer math is also going to be offered again this year. We have traditionally offered the 3rd semester of core math, Math 82. It's no longer a required core course, but still a popular course, as I mentioned. We offer this over the summer in a 6-week intensive format. And this year, we expect to return to in-person version of summer math, but with a synchronous remote option available to students. And so watch for information from the HMC Summer Sessions program for more about this. I will say summer math is absolutely not required. Sometimes students say to their family it's required. It's not required, but it has become popular as a way to to get ahead a little bit and create some room in the sophomore year for other courses. And I would say students tend to enjoy learning in this environment where it's intensive, as MUD is in general, but just one subject. And so like a language, really immersing themselves in the wonderful world of differential equations. Also in summer is a popular time for research, and a great site for summer research opportunities at Harvey Mudd is the URO, Undergraduate Research Opportunity.hmc.edu website. There are lots of projects involving math. Here are some projects involving math and faculty in the math department. There are other projects for math majors, not always advertised on this site. Sometimes summer research assistants are recruited through upper division courses because the research involves more background material. But there are a range of summer research opportunities happening in mathematics to check out. And as a bonus, if you made it this far, well, then you get a joke. So a rope walks into a bar and orders a drink. Bartender says, well, we don't serve ropes here. And so the rope goes outside, frays its ends, and ties itself into a knot, and walks back into the bar and orders a drink. The bartender says, hey, aren't you that rope that I just turned down? The rope replies, nope, I'm afraid not. Okay, so thanks for joining us to hear updates from the math department. I hope this helps give you a quick sense of our department, how we engage our students in the wonderful world of mathematics. And boy, we look forward to being in person together real soon. Okay, thanks all.